over the hill, an uphill battle, king of the hill. These are all idioms that will help you understand more naturally spoken English. Hi, I'm Steve, and this is Single Step English. Today, I'm shooting this video from my garden. It's the end of the fall season, and it's a really nice time to be out here. Today's lesson is about idioms that contain the word hill. The word hill by itself has this meaning: rounded area of land that is higher than the land around it, but that is not as high as a mountain. For example, these are hills. However, we often use the word hill in idioms. One idiom you might hear is over the hill. When someone is over the hill, it means that they are no longer at the top. Their skills, ability, or beauty have increased during their lifetime, but now are going down. They are decreasing as they get older. We often use this for people who play sports. He used to be a great player, but now he's over the hill. He can no longer play at the same level as younger players. Wayne Rooney was a great soccer player when he was younger, but some people think he is over the hill. What do you think? We also use this for actors or movie stars who we feel have lost their beauty. Please remember, this is not a kind idiom to say directly to someone. You will often hear someone talk about someone else if they say they are over the hill, but you don't really say it to someone that you really like or you consider them a friend. Next, we have the idiom an uphill battle. A person may be facing a difficult challenge in their life. It will be very hard for them to succeed. For example, my friend wants to enter the top university in his country. And this university only accepts 1 out of 200 applicants. Also, my friend has to work part-time to help his family, and he really doesn't have any time to study for the university examination. It will be an uphill battle for him to enter the university. Another example, our basketball team will play the best team in the city tomorrow. And our top player is injured. It will be an uphill battle, but we will do our best. This takes us to the last idiom of this lesson, king of the hill. And here is an official definition: the most powerful, successful, or person in charge of a group or organization. For example, Jim worked really hard for his company, and now he is king of the hill of his department. This frog, king of the hill. I think we often use this idiom, king of the hill, to sort of make fun of someone. They are king of the hill. It doesn't mean that they are king of the mountain. They are only just king of the hill. It's a small little area. King of the hill? In this lesson, you learned 3 idioms. They were over the hill, an uphill battle, and king of the hill. By learning these idioms, you will understand more conversational English, and you can practice using them. How about writing a sentence in the comment section below? See if you can use one of the idioms from this lesson. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. 3 idioms. They were, I don't remember.